Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I used the ABH Riviera Palette. I actually did this look several months ago, and I've been meaning to get it up for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then please keep watching. Now the first shade we're going to be picking up is the color called Canes. Now I've already applied some concealer over my eyelid to use as a primer, and I'm just going to be taking this shade, applying it in the outer corner and dragging it in the crease as well. And so I'm going to be taking a little bit of the shade at a time and then just slowly building the color up using small circular motions and a very light hand. I'm also going to drag this out like a wing. So I'm just going to fast forward this part, but I'm going to leave it in so you guys can see how I did it. Next, I'll be blending out the shade with Bahamas. So I'm going to take this on a brush. I believe this one's by Glitter Realm Co., but of course I will link all the brushes down below for you. So I'm just going to use small circular motions and blend this upward. Now this brush is very soft, which is what I like about it. Next, I'll be taking my small e.l.f. concealer brush with some of my favorite concealer. This one was the Moira Cosmetics Mega Waterproof Concealer, and I'm going to start to carve out my crease. Now, I'll just let you guys watch to see the cut crease that I'm going to achieve today. So I'm just going to carve this out like a wing and then fill in the rest underneath it. So now that I have it as cleaned as I could get it, I'm going to just tap the excess concealer down just so that I can smooth it out and have a flat base to apply some eyeshadow. So next I'm going to be taking a flat brush and some of the shade called Monte Carlo, and I'm going to put it about on the first fourth of this concealer. Now I'm just going to pat it on there first and then really clean it up afterwards. Now, second, you can see that I'm going to apply more of that shade called Bahamas. Now, I'm not going to take these eyeshadows all the way up. I want to leave a space in between, and you'll see what I'm talking about once I apply them on there. Next, to finish off this wing, I'm going to be taking some of the shade called Canes again, and I'm going to just pat that on there and then just wing it out. So this is what it looks like. I also switched to a smaller flat brush so that I can really get that line as precise as I could. Next, I will be taking some black eyeliner. You can use any that you like. This one is by Luminous Cosmetics. So for this part, I'm just going to do my eyeliner how I would normally, and I'm going to also connect it with the purple wing. So I'm just going to fast forward this part, but leave it in so you guys can see what I mean. Now for the top part, I'm just going to pretty much trace the line where the eyeshadow is. Now I had to get really close up for this part, so I didn't film it, but I left this small part in so that you guys can see what I mean. So you just take it right above the eyeshadow like so and connect it to the other eyeliner at the bottom. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to apply some of Canes first. And then just slightly blend it out with a little bit of Bahamas. Next, I'll be darkening my waterlines with this black cream gel liner by ColourPop. I'm also going to be using this black mascara by ColourPop. Now, these lashes are called LA Life by Shop Cam Galore, which I will have down below as well. And then I'm just going to finish things off by adding some highlighter. So this completes the look. I know it's a little bit different than your everyday wear eyeshadow, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a blessed week, and we'll see you next time.